This Select Realty property video is presented by Sandra Thomas. 103-acre horse farm. Fenced and cross-fenced, with 2 ponds and a creek. The horse barn is complete and ready to operate with stalls, tack room, wash station, equipment repair area, and RV hookup. The open floor plan ranch-style home fits the overall feel of this very peaceful property with expansive views of the land and the mountains. The house features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The primary bedroom has vaulted ceiling and oversized closets, while the bath has a walk-in tub, west jets, and a walk-in shower. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandra Thomas at 479-394-7676.